Alright you guys, so let's get started. Today we're going to be testing out the Twist Secret, which is a tool that twists your hair for you. What? Why? Why is my computer making noises? Anyway, we're going to be trying out the Twist Secret. It's a tool that will twist your hair for you, so it's going to do all the work, okay? This is the tool here. Let me first say that I saw this on another YouTuber's channel and I wanted to try it out. Her name is Amber. I will link her video down below. We're actually using a different brand of the product. I think hers was Conair. They don't sell the Conair one anymore. At least the last time I checked, they didn't have it. So I picked up this one because it does the same thing and it might be even cheaper. So I will link the I'll link the information on this down below if you guys are interested. So my hair is dry and it needs to be re-moisturized and it's time to restyle for another week. Like I said, or like I've told you guys, I don't wash my hair but every sometimes 2.5 weeks, okay? My hair thrives on dirty hair. My hair just does so well when it allows the natural sebums to do their thing. So that's why I stretch my wash days out that long, and I have color, so I want to stretch out my color as well. All right, you guys, so the product that I'm going to be using is the African Pride Moisture Miracle Shea Butter and Flaxseed Oil Moisture and Define Curling Cream. Actually, I love the whole line from African Pride, okay? I have used this product before. My kids use it. We all use it on our hair. It's a nice cream. It smells good. It gives me great definition. So you guys are going to be able to see how that works. Now for this video, I'm going to do a two-part split, okay? One side I'm going to use my good old hands, okay? Because I don't care how many inventions they come out with, ain't nothing better than these hands, okay? On this side, I'm going to be using the tool, the Twist Secret tool. So we're going to see how well this works, if it's worth it or not. Because I mean, come on, y'all. Is it worth it or not? Like, do we really have to make tools to twist our hair? Like, are we there? I mean, is this what we're doing in 2019? We're being real lazy. But anyway, I'm going to give y'all options. If y'all, options for you. So you guys, my hair, like I said, it is over 7 days. It's my old rod set. It's been 7 whole days. No moist for you. The only thing that is in it is the product that I used to rod my hair, which was the Texture ID Mousse, and I've added some oil, some tea tree oil throughout the week. Other than that, there's nothing in my hair. I don't redo my rod sets, okay? It's one and done. It better last me a week or else. I've had about enough of you. Listen, I'm tired of it and it's time to restyle. So without further ado, let's go. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna start off by moisturizing my hair with some good old agua. And I'm gonna get it nice and moisturized so that it's pliable and that we can add the cream. But before we start styling, I wanna show you guys the tool. It's called the Twist Secret. Now, girl, the instructions is in a totally different language, okay? There's not one lick of English on this box. So I'm gonna explain it to you. So this is a tool here. It has 2 settings. You see the red button there? If you press it up, the little top notches with the red top on them spin. If you press it down, then the top, you know what? Let me just show y'all. See, you press it up and the top notches spin, but if you press it down, this head part spins. So that was a little bit easier. So anyway, moving on. I'm going to go ahead and add the cream to my hair, work it in really well. And on this side, I'm going to be using the tool, okay, you guys? So once I have detangled and I applied the cream, I'm going to split the sections in 2. Of course, you need 2 legs to do a twist out. And I'm going to be adding my hair in between the top notch. So there's a button. As you can see, I'm pushing up with my thumb. There's a button right underneath there that allows that top notch to come up. You see there? And then you just stick your hair right through it and let go of that button. You see those 2 buttons there at the bottom? You press them up and it allows those red notches to lift up so you can add your hair into it. Now, okay, the struggle is so real, okay? Listen, first of all, the red button it was so tight that I couldn't press it up or press it down. As you can see, I'm having an issue. But the first step is to press it up, which is going to twist your hair in kind of sort of like a finger coil, okay? I had to grab a towel because my hands were so greasy, so I had to, or they were wet. I had to grab a towel to help me press it up. So I pressed it up, and of course it added like 2 finger coils to my hair, okay? That's the first step. That's what you're supposed to do first. And then the second step is to press the button down, and it actually does the 2-strand twist for you. Look at that, y'all. That is so freaking cool. Like, I was totally shocked at how this worked. Now, it looks like it's going a little bit slow. I don't know if that's the tool or if it's my batteries, okay? I changed the batteries twice, and it still did the same thing. So they weren't energized or anything like that. So I don't know. It could be the batteries. But and this is how you take it off. You just pull those 2 notches at the bottom up, and it releases the hair. So the only thing about this is that you have to twist the ends. But that is good for me because I like to really focus on my ends, add more product, make sure they're twirled around my finger. I can't see just letting it loose and letting it go without doing that. So this is what the twist looks like. And now we're going to do a good old 2-strand twist with the hands, honey. And this took nothing but like 30 seconds to do, literally, okay? So the time factor is already, you know, a huge difference, okay? And there we are, done with that twist. But let me show you guys a comparison. As you can see, my twist with my hands, okay, it gets to them roots, okay? We need them roots done. But the other twist gives a little bit more shrinkage, I noticed. So I'm going to do this again. I'm going to complete this on the remaining sections of my hair. As you can see, the struggle is so real, y'all. Like, I cannot get it together. So you'll see me fumbling around with this darn tool, trying to figure it out. Like I said, the time factor, girl. It's a cool idea, but it just takes so darn long. So anyway, I applied the hair. Now I'm going to press the notch up to apply like a finger coil. And then I'm going to press the notch down to twist it into a 2-strand twist. So this reminds me of when you do like those jumbo twists. I can't remember what they called, but you actually twist the hair before you actually twist it into a 2-strand twist. This is what it reminds me of. And I have a feeling that the curl pattern is going to come out like that. So here I am. You guys can just continue to watch and see how I do this. I'm going to shut my mouth and just let y'all watch. All right, you guys, so I'm done with both sides, and as you can see, there's already a huge difference, okay? The side with my hands shrinks up more. The twist look much more juicy and fluffy, okay? The other side kind of looks flat to me, and I don't know how that's gonna do when it comes to separating, because y'all know I like a lot of fullness and a lot of height in my hair. I mean, the stretch could be good, but it just looks like a flat twist. Like, it's not fluffy like the other side, you know? Doesn't look quite soft either. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and unravel the side that I twisted with my hands, and then we're gonna move on to the other side. All right, so as I'm unraveling the side that I used the twist secret on, some of them aren't looking so well, but I noticed that it's very defined. It has a totally different curl pattern. It's a beautiful curl pattern, but it just doesn't look fluffy. It doesn't look like it's gonna give me more fullness. So I went ahead and separated the side that I twisted with my hand. And as you can see here, the side that I twisted with the tool is a lot more harder to separate because you have to unravel the finger coil to get any fullness. So I'm taking each strand, I'm untwisting it, untwisting the 2-strand twist, and then unraveling the finger coil. So yes, you guys, and as you can see, the length is there. It's giving me a lot of length, but it's not giving me that fullness that I like in my hair. And the root part is so tightly coiled that it's going to be hard for me to pick it out, to raise the roots rather. So as you can see, the curl pattern is beautiful, right? But look how hard it is. You see the other side with ease, like giving me so much volume with ease. But this side just looks kind of like blah. So I'm basically trying my best to get as much height and volume on that side. And I even went back in and separated it more, and that looked great. Okay, it's starting to blend in a little bit better with the other side. And in all actuality, it's looking a little bit more defined. So it's not giving me that fluffy look, but it is giving me a defined look, as you guys can see. And it's giving me length. But yeah, will I try this tool again? You know what? The time factor did it for me, okay? I can't be spending all day trying to push a button up or down. And then on the box, you guys, it's all Caucasian women, okay? So this will work great for Caucasian hair. I don't see not one curly, coily, kinky-haired person on the box being represented. So, you know, I guess they marketed it to straight hair at the end of the day. So who am I fooling to even try it? You know what I'm saying? I mean, it did work. It works on curly hair, but I noticed a lot more flyaways with this product than when I twisted it with my hand. So yeah, you guys let me know what you think. If you have any questions about the product, check the description box. I'll have everything linked there. And comment below and let me know if you will try this tool. And I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye.